When you hear the term fashion capital, you think of Paris, London, Milan or New York. But do you ever think of Almaty or Nur Sultan? Probably not, right? Well, that is set to change in the near future, as Kazakhstan has set its sight on joining the high fashion elite. So how exactly are the Kazakhs attempting to catapult themselves into the position of fashion royalty? For one thing, the country already hosts its own annual fashion week, Kazakhstan Fashion Week. In its short lifespan, KFW has already become the biggest fashion event in Central Asia. Designers come from Italy, Georgia, Belgium and Australia in order to show off their collections, and each year the event gets bigger. Perhaps the most important aspect of KFW, however, is its focus on the future, specifically the Fashion for Future contest, which is a major part of Fashion Week each year. Fashion for Future is a contest aimed at encouraging young designers to follow their passion and draws hundreds of contestants each year, typically university students. After submitting their concepts online, designers are selected based on their sketches. Of the hundreds of applicants, approximately 15 make it through to the final, where they present their collections. This provides a great opportunity for aspiring designers to get some exposure, but also poses a tough challenge as the evaluation criteria are very strict and specific. Contestants must show individuality and originality in their ideas, as well as technical proficiency in the design and execution of their collections. What's more, the clothes must be created in prêt-à-porter style, which means ready to wear. Lastly, they must fit a particular theme, one which typically reflects the priorities of the industry. For instance, a popular point of discussion which is featured as a primary theme is sustainable fashion, the idea that the fashion industry can operate effectively without harming the planet. For the winner of Fashion for Future, the experience doesn't end with Fashion Week, though. A scholarship takes them to study at the IED, Istituto Europeo di Design, summer school of fashion in Italy, with whom the contest has been organized. There they get the opportunity to learn from some of the world's best fashion designers. Kazakhstan has shown great determination and drive in the fashion world thus far. With a new forward-thinking attitude and up-and-coming designers being trained at an international level, the country may soon be home to the world's next fashion capital.